Alright, I got this free box of lures, a bunch of crankbaits, random swim baits. I'm gonna dig through it real quick. We got almost 2 hours before sunset. I'm gonna grab a few things and see if we can catch a fish with it. Looks like it's got some age to it. I was gonna do this with my eyes closed, but I've had a hook in my finger recently, and I really don't want to do that again. So let's see. What about that ugly little guy? Let's give it a shot. All right, let's see what we can pull off. My confidence isn't very high, but hopefully we can get us a few fish. This thing has some action to it, and it doesn't dive very deep, so maybe it'll work out. Maybe I won't get hung. I think I bounced it off a rock. All right, I'm gonna swap the ugly old orange one, and I guess we'll see how that does. All right, got the old fat rat tied on. Let's see what she'll do. My guess is it will get hung. And I'll go back to the first bait. She is orange. Well, I thought I was recording that catch, but I guess I didn't hit the button on the old GoPro. And then my camera froze up, so there's no telling what happened. So it appears my GoPro skills are not the greatest today. I just broke off. Might get something on this one. This is some deep mud. Oh, are you serious? I think I caught the other end of my darn line I just lost. Okay, is that a sign to put this thing back on? Because I lost it across the creek over there. I didn't want to muddy it up yet. I broke off, then I caught my line. I hate leaving lures in the creek, but maybe it's meant to be. Might have to tie this one back on in a second. Round 2. Bite. Or catch a lot. First cast. Have to be a little more careful with this one. She's a little deep diver for how much water I've got, but I thought it'd be fun to try it anyways. Oh, that was actually a fish just hit it. Yep. Oh yeah. I saw him flash at it. Another little smallie. I think I actually got that one on camera. Don't bite me, dirt. He's ready to go. Oh yes, got another one. Heck yes. Gonna be another nice. Man, this thing's going in the bag. This is ridiculous. This is redonkulous. They always pay me back when I do that. All right, so we might have to try this more often. I've still got the rest of the lures in that box and a whole nother sack full of stuff that's a little bigger than I usually fish in a creek, but so far I've caught 3 smallmouth, so it works. All right, got a fresh battery in the camera. Let's see if we can catch one more fish. Probably only have like 10, 15 more minutes before it gets dark on me. Surely we can get one more. I left my lure in the water as I grabbed my headlamp out, and that guy decided to bite it. We almost got him in. Holy crap. He smoked it. That is not a smallmouth. Is that a drum? Well, that got me excited for a second. Full drum. Well, that worked out a little better than I expected. Old Manny's gonna be mad that she missed out on another night of good smallmouth fishing.